Hello and welcome. Do you know that CloudFront is one of most popular service from AWS? Whenever we are configuring CloudFront distribution, we have to pass through lots of options. AWS asking question related to these options in Cloud Solution Architect exam, and that's why we are learning all of this very carefully. As a part of this learning process, in this video, I am going to explain you default cache behavior. So let's start. First of all, I want you to find out this particular option. Let's say that if you want to create new distribution, you have to go to the CloudFront. When you click on create distribution, you will get the first option, which is origin. We already covered this. And here we have another option known as default cache behavior. Here we are getting all these options. I want you to understand this theoretically and practically. So we are going to start with option number 1, path pattern. So what is the use case of path pattern? Here I am going through very straight through process, what it does, an example. So let's talk about what is use case of path pattern. Specifies which content to cache. Example, the star means all the content of your website, and image/star means cache the content from the image folder only. So here we have star. It means when you create your distribution with CloudFront, and if you are not going to touch this option, it is going to cache all your content. But as a part of your website, you have folder over there, and you like images folder, and if you want to cache the content from only images folder, you can specify this over here. If you are going to specify specific folder here, it will cache this content only, and this is where you can save money because you are not going to cache all the content of your website. So in the path pattern, we can specify which content of the website you need to cache, and you can also specify star here to cache all the content. Then we have second option, we call it compress object automatically. So here what it does, this option allows CloudFront to automatically compress the files that are sent to the users. Here we have example. If you have CSS file that is 100 KB in size, enabling automatic compression might reduce it to the 30 KB. So it can reduce size of your file up to 70%. And it is always good idea to go with the compress object. We are not going to configure anything. We just need to select this particular option, and the compression will happen automatically by CloudFront. Now we have third option, which is viewer protocol only. Before I am going to explain you this, I want you to see this particular distribution that we have already created during our CloudFront learning process. Here I have one distribution. In this distribution, I am using S3 as a origin. So I am going to the S3, and here I configured static web hosting. If you look at this, I use this particular folder. Here I have static web hosting configured, and if you go to the properties, you will find out that this is my website URL. If I am going to open this, I am able to open this website, but if you look at this carefully, here I am getting this option not secure. Why? Because S3 static web hosting is not actually supporting HTTPS. Now, if you don't have HTTPS, means it is not secure. You know, nowadays, if you are not having HTTPS website, the browser will send you alert that this website is not secure. If you are getting this kind of not secure tag over here, you may not open this website. So it is always good idea to have HTTPS website, because if it is HTTPS, means the communication is actually encrypted and it is providing a secure services. Now, we use this particular static website as the origin, and then we configure this CloudFront URL, a CloudFront distribution. Now once you complete this CloudFront distribution, it will provide you another URL. And if you are going to open this URL, you are going to get same website because it is coming from the same origin. But look at this. This is actually HTTPS. So here we have secure communication happening between web server and the users because right now the website is HTTPS. Now how it is actually possible? These things are possible because of this particular option. So let's understand all these options step by step. Viewer protocol policy. What it does. Sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.